We're in Pampanga here at
Ano na ka sa
Quadro Commercial Food Park. Thank you, we're in Pampanga.
Ang kanilang page.
I like the page.
Quadro J, Korean food. Here it is, finally. Baba Kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, we were invited by the first ever food park dito po sa Mexico,
Magalang and Araya.
This is Quadro J Commercial Food Park.
Excited ako lalo-lalo na sa mga taga dito. At least marami na kayong choices when it comes sa mga food.
Nasi. Hello. Chingu. Chingu. Go town to me. Dishen mixed takoyaki, mani,
Corny, barbecue,
kay isaw.
At syempre, welcome natin ang We're in Pampanga.
Yeah, we're in Pampanga. Hello po.
We're in Pampanga. Hello.
How about you? Where are you?
So Korean food naman yung dito, guys.
Yan, anyways.
Meron pa tayong Happy Takoyaki. This one is Bell Cafe Milk Tea. Isa sa mga favorite namin nung mga kabataan namin, guys, is scramble. Alright, here it is, finally. So for our first
yung mga
scramble, ayan. This stall, Rayu Pares Mami.
Ringon niya.
Ano, may kasamang buto, yung buto sa ready na.
Yun guys, this is it. Trying for the first time.
Yes.
This is mata and egg, yung sa'yo naman.
Mata and utak.
Maparasyo. Mata for the first time.
Ito itang lakas.
Prepare niya mo po sa akin ang chicken. Opo.
Oh, sige po. Ay, karinen na. Oh, shout out may itang crush mo. Shout out may itang crush mo.
Shout out to Jello.
Alright. Ay, ma'am, thank you.
From Happy Takoyaki.
Happy Takoyaki. Alright.
Thank you.
We have another dish that came in. It's actually free.
Yes.
From Happy Takoyaki. Hello.
Mapali po.
Hello, ma'am. Wow. Thank you. Yung mga drinks naman natin at saka itong extra special na chicken wings ay galing kay Bell Cafe. Ayan. So, dito yung store nila, guys. Thank you. Shout out tayo dito sa Beautiful Cafe. So, actually, na-feature na natin to. Feature from home. Ayan. So, this is their second branch. So, again, guys, we have hot dog, hamburger. This is a fruit tea. Lychee to, no?
Lychee. Ito yung kanilang blueberry and hot
Coffee. I'm gonna go for the hot coffee. Dahil medyo nabusog na ako kanina pa. Nasi. Nasi. Sandok tayo ng nasi, ma'am. Sandok tayo ng nasi. Ito yung pinadala nila sa atin. So, meron tayo
ditong lugaw.
lugaw.
Ang kagandahan dito, meron siyang lechong kawali, atay, and balon-balunan.
Kapyopsal.
Yes, you know. And yung last is yung ebon.
Naputot. Ayan.
Lechong kawali. Grabe, Mark. Isa na
Sobrang
namang
busog.
gabing busog na busog, no? Ang dami natin kinain ngayon. So,
In fairness
yeah.
naman sa mga stalls dito, napakamura and talagang pangmasa.
So we would like to congratulate Quadro J for a successful opening. Yung mga taga Pandacaqui, malapit sa Magalang. Actually, malapit na rin to almost sa Angeles, no?
Even sa Araya.
Arayat, ayan, Mexico particularly, meron po na po kayong pupuntahan dito na kainan. Sobrang mura. Kumbaga, ito yung paradise ng mga street food. Guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I hope to see you here.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye, guys.